Ikaw, dali ka set. Set. So set. Wish you a happy birthday, okay? Alright, very good. Kailangan mong mabit yung 15 points. Alright, happy birthday, Yuan. Ready? Get set. Go!
Happy birthday, Yuan!
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. Ulit. Kailangan mas mahaba pa doon, ha? Galingan mo, ha? Ready? Get set. Go!
Happy birthday, Yuan!
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang talaga yung kaya ni Seth, eh. Thank you, Seth. Okay, next. Who's next? Richard. Si Riz.
Habaan mo ha. Habang kailangan.
Yes, happy birthday mo na. Ganun, ha? Already. Get set. Go!
Happy birthday, Yuan!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Happy birthday, Yuan!
Hulugan. Thank you. Meron bang susunod? Si Kian. Yung ba, gusto mo mag-join? Alright, tawagin na natin ang ating winner. Si Kelly at saka si Colleen. Ayuan, giving me yung prize mo kay Kelly. Kelly. Colleen. Alright, Yuan, tayo ka na dito. Ikaw naman babatiin yung sarili mo. Happy birthday to me. Okay, tayo ka, Yuan. Tayo. Ano? Prize? Later, ha? Kailangan mag-win ka sarili natin, ha? Kailangan galingan mo.
I want play.
Okay, mamaya I give you French fries, ha? Ready? Ayuan, happy birthday to me! Okay, kailangan malakas na boses, ha? Ready? Get set! Pag-count